What up, gang? What is up? What is up? What is up? All right, let's have a look over here. Let's have a look over here. Everything's working. Is everything working? I think so. Sorry, gang, 1 sec. Just check and make sure everything's all good. Ali, what up, bruh? You only trade futures? No, I trade futures and Forex. All right, I'm going to draw up zooms just so I can mark out some levels here. We're at a pretty interesting spot here with the market on gold today. So let's have a look. Let's have a look. Fuck, 1 sec. What up, Big John? Brother from another mother. All right, guys, let's get serious. Cold blood trades, keep it up. What up? Hey, brother. Appreciate it, man. Definitely will. Shop every day, right? Big Don, another day, another trade. Exactly, my dude. That's it. All right, give me 1 sec. I'm just getting Zoom ready here. I'll mark up some levels. What I'm looking. Potentially interesting over here. Okay. Yes. Share. Boom. All right, cool. Here we are. Sup, bro? Reckon we prep perfectly for a long bouncing off the 4-hour diagonal support as we speak. Mac. I haven't really had a look, so I'm going to do a real quick top down over here, you guys. For I'm going to do a real quick top down here. So I'll start at the daily. I got longs back to 90. Okay. Daily, obviously last week, very bullish. Candle bodies are getting bigger on the daily. 4-hour looks like we might be pulling up a little bit here. You know, candle body's getting smaller on the 4-hourly, flipping. This current one's still fresh. Although it's red now, it's still very fresh. I know a lot of people here in the chats are saying longs. 1 hour. There's clearly this very strong level here, right? There's clearly a very strong... Oh my god, bro, what did I click? There's clearly a very strong support level here. I think we can all agree with that. Hang on a sec. So much shit, bro. I need like 10 new screens. All right, so there's clearly a strong level there. We just tap back into it. It's rejecting off it pretty hard. This is the first 15 of the London Open session. Strong candles coming down. You know, the 15 didn't, so the 30 looks very strong on the way down. The 15 showed that a bit of a smaller body. I would actually mark it to here. this 15 level here. You know, you can see that we got the closures here. I wouldn't have it here. I wouldn't have it up here. I'd be paying attention to this. So in an ideal world, you guys, I know a lot of people are looking for longs, but just say in some world that we got something like this, and then a retest, I'll be looking for sells below. I'd take a breakout below for sure, all day. All day. So yeah, this first 15 of London session opened up, rejected back up, filling a lot of this range that had just been coming down very aggressively. I have some Quantic computer stocks down for 12%. Oh, you're invested in some sort of computer stocks. So let's have a look here. And then buys above. Let me measure this range here. What's it to this from here? Oh yeah, definitely. So then buys above this level here for me. Right? I might as well put some text here. Why would I change the title to that when it's not that, Oleg? Why would I do that if that's not what it is, my friend? Have you ever thought about that? So moving this over here, you guys can see what I'm looking for there. You wait for news of inflation. You waiting for the news of inflation of Wednesday? No, I'm definitely not waiting for news. Just jump on. Jump on, do the thing. Jump on, do the thing. If I waited for news, I would never get a trade. Closure. Fresh week, you guys. Fresh week to get at it. Pretty keen. Keen to have an awesome week over here. See if we can get some disciplined trades in. And it all starts today. Chappy, what up? Haven't seen your name in the chat for a while. I'm back from the street. Excellent. Love to hear it. Love to hear it. Man, who was there on the who was there for the stream on Friday? NFP stream was wild. Broke some freaking viewership records here on the TikTok freaking side of trading streams, that's for sure. The cost of waiting, my dear boy. We get paid to wait, my dude. Introduce. I'm a trader pro, sir. Oh, we got a pro over here. Good to meet you, my friend. First time joining. Okay, amazing. Good to have you here. Just made... Oh, I can't say that. What's the plan? The plan is essentially what I've got marked up here. You waiting for a breakout after the consolidation? I do think that's going to be the smartest thing, you guys. Because right now, like, you've always got to think of your stop loss. If I were to look for a trade within this consolidation range, I know my stop loss ideally has to go above or below a major level, right? And the major level, both ends, is 45 pips away. Oh, Chappy participated in NFP as well. Okay, interesting. Fair enough. Kelvin, I'm amazing, bro. So, how can you tell the difference between a breakout or a fake out? You can never really tell the difference. There are clues though. So I have a few checklists. One thing, just say we're in an uptrend like this, right? We can see we're trending up. And you get a candle that, let's say you create some support here. You know you're trending up, but you get a candle that impulsively breaks to the downside, right? One, you're going against the trend. Two, it just kind of impulsively pushes against the trend. Like I typically would be more cautious if you get a breakout against the trend. That's one of the biggest things to avoid fake outs I've noticed, is if it's going against the trend, right? And there's other small nuances, and I'd have to say it's all circumstantial. So if we get something that looks like a fake out today, hopefully we can point it out and learn from it. But one of the biggest things I identify is, is this breakout just impulsively, randomly against the trend, or are we going with the trend here? Can you take a look at Mia Toa? I don't know what that is. What is NFP? I'm new to this trading thing. Don't worry about NFP. It's all good. It's just a news event. I'm starting trading this year. Any recommendations? My recommendations would be get onto Google and start Googling all the basics. What is trading? What's a candlestick? What's an engulfing candle? What's a doji candle? Learn the basics. Do the Baby Pips course. Babypips.com. Babypips.com. Free course. Free course. Babypips.com. Free. I'd suggest do that. Just start from the ground up. I have no idea about trading, but really want to be traded. Please help. Like I said, start from the ground up. Start on Google. Start on ChatGPT. Start to learn this. If you're looking at getting into trading, but you think, I'm going to get in and ching, you'll be burnt quick and out the door quicker. Take it serious and it'll take you serious. Oh, Solana. Feeling good today, Gunnar. Feeling amazing. It's a fresh week here on the charts. We get to do the thing and exercise, discipline, patience, professionalism, and just crush it over here, guys. Gold and silver are going to be worth nothing soon, says someone over here. Nothing soon. Income centralized banking. Baby what? Baby Pips. PIPS. Thank you, bro. Look into it. Yeah, it's again, you guys. It's always best to start from the ground up. Don't jump into this with the intent to ching it. Come in with the intent to learn the skill set, knowing that the ching could be a byproduct of you improving that skill set. For your trading plan, when do you decide to enter? It's all circumstantial, but primarily I'm looking for, in this instance, let's say this current candle closes green and then the next one wants to come down like this and just simply break below this level on a 15-minute candle. The next one can wick up, kind of retest that range and then flip down. I could look at taking a sell potentially. But there's small nuances as we approach that range. There's small nuances that you have to pay attention to that matter, right? So, but that's the overall thesis of what I'm potentially looking for. Best prop firm? I don't know. They're all pretty good, I think. Watching while trading? Yeah, that's what I used to do. I still do if I'm not streaming. I'll watch like a Raja Bank stream or anything like that if I'm just chilling. Anyone want to bless me with the FTMO challenge? Someone said. Take care. Do you not use lower resistance levels due to there being an order block above it? No, it definitely has nothing to do with order block or anything like that. It depends what you mean lower resistance levels. Do you mean like this level? Do you mean like this level here? Because if you mean that level there, the idea is to like capture a move that's within this session. If I wait for it to get all the way down to there, and although you go, well, that's clearly like a major level, you know, you won't get as many trades. So like you can catch that move down to that section if you play it smart. If you didn't have much to do, how would you go about it? Diego, look at prop firms. Look at getting funded challenges. Look into that. Start Googling that. When TikTok gets banned, I think gold will go up because many people will lose their jobs. I don't think so. The amount of people that, bro, the amount of people that work, I don't know if you're talking about influencers. Like how many jobs are freaking really does TikTok really create, you know what I mean? Like in terms of like, you know, your day to day, like everyone 9 to 5, I don't think it's gonna make much of an impact. Is TikTok actually getting banned in the US? That's actually wild. I mean, 2690. Let's have a look at 2690. Oh, 2690 is a resistance. Wasn't resistance above. Yeah, so the reason I don't have it at this level here is because if I have a level there and then I go, okay, cool, I could look at taking a breakout above that, you know, a candle breaking above, a retest, and then a flip and trying to catch it up to this next spot. This range isn't enough for me. This range here isn't enough for me. What is it? You know, it's like 15 pips. It's not enough. And that's pushing it. That's to say if it just breaks out perfectly as well. Like a lot of the times it'll break out, you know, relatively high or something like that. Something like that. Well, someone in the chat, Don said Funded X is a good prop firm. Thank you for the follows there on TikTok, you guys. Doi. Yeah, in January 19th, TikTok. Wow, man. Gold's going up because of TikTok. That's crazy. Is the current candle considered a 15-minute engulfing? Nah, I wouldn't pay attention to that because, like, you can look at these candles all that have kind of, you know, they've come down all together kind of thing. I would pay more attention to an engulfing candle, even though I don't really pay that much attention. Is maybe an instance like this, where you had two strong ones and then one big red that engulfed both of them. Right? I'm using prop firms. What's the minimum pip level you would consider? Man, even 20 would be pushing it because... And it all depends on how it closes. Because like I said, a candle like very rarely will... If I'm like, yeah, this is a nice resistance level here, it's very rare that a candle is just going to perfectly break like that. You know, a lot of the times it'll break up like that even. Right? Oh, thank you for the gifts there as well on Tiki. Tickety talkety. I've been working on this new entry model. And it looks similar to what is happening right now. Let me have a look. I've been working on something. Ether Sam, Ahmed, hello. Where are you from? Australia, brother. First day here. Glad to have you here, my friend. Very glad. Yeah, I've been working on this thing with backtesting a little entry, and I was like, wow, I've kind of created my own little entry over here. So like, when there's a strong level of support and price comes down, like if we look on the 30, it's obviously been coming down very strong, right? And then it gets to that level of resistance, rejects off very hard like it did, creates a small body red candle, closes like that. Next one fails to break that high. Once it breaks this low here, I take a sell, and then it typically has enough strength to punch through and then continue on, blah, blah. Like it's a... I know it actually kind of looks like it makes sense when you look at it like this, but I'm still pretty fresh on it, and I might forward test it today if that prints right now. Then if the candle touches your sell line and then it breaks a 4-hour trend line, mate, I don't pay attention to trend lines, my brother. I don't pay attention to trend lines. So yeah, as you can see, like if you look on the 1 hour, like you can just see we're kind of stuck in this consolidation range. I'm essentially just looking for a breakout of either of those ranges. That's all, which would be a 15-minute candle minimum to break out. Just sub to your channel. Oh, thank you, bro. Appreciate that. Just hit 1,000 there on TikTok. I mean, on YouTube recently. So You guys on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube as well with his full horizontal screen, Daniel Holmes Trades. If you're ever so interested. Bro, did you, man, I had 1,000 people, more than 1,000 actually, like 1,100 on Friday. Crazy numbers over here. What up, Trader for Life? Suman, what up, bro? What platform are you using? This is called TradingView. This is just to view the actual platform. Then I'm using NinjaTrader with Apex to actually enter. No, I haven't taken a trade today. I only trade London Open, so I just jumped on the charts now. Let's have a look at the 30. 30 still open, 1 hour still open, 4 hour daily. That's the other thing you've got to ask, like what's the probability of a super strong daily candle printing and then it just going down after that? Doesn't really make sense, right? Like it makes more sense to be bullish, although the 4 hours looks like it's showing weakening. Prop firm would be good, bro. Prop firm would be the go then. Bro, that NFP stream is wild. Oh, it's too stressful. It's too freaking stressful. Yeah, I think like the higher time frames are all indicating buys. I think it looks like buys is a smart thing to do. It's just waiting for the signal, right? Will this be a good cool-off week since last week was wild? Nah, every week will be wild. Monday sideways, yeah. What was... I think we could have some volume. What's your current strategy? Just price action, breakouts, bounces of supports and resistance. When a setup starts to arise, I'll start to describe it more. I don't know how to, like, when people ask me that, I'm like, there's no like a name. I can't be like, oh, this is the freaking flippity dip strategy. It's just like price action. It's all like circumstantial type shit. It's pretty funny how people like say in the chat, how much, you know, what do you make? I can't really talk about that anyway, but it's like, it's the only, and the answer is not much yet, but it's the only kind of thing, it's the only kind of industry where you can just be like, hey man, how much, like imagine going up to like a, just anyone and be like, hey, how much, you know, what do you make? It's like, oh, fuck, okay. But I get why, like I'll be curious as well about other people. It's a Daniel Holmes strategy. You staying longer today, Dan? I'll stay as long as you guys stay and just see if we get a setup of some sort. I don't know what Fibo or HC scalping is. Oh, what up, Chris? Brother. Oh, your accounts are being rejected there on Apex. I'm not using Tradeovate. Maybe it's a Tradeovate issue. I'm using NinjaTrader with Apex. How to start? How to start? I would say Google. What is trading? What is Forex? What are candlesticks? Start from the ground up. How long does it take to get familiar with trading? Good question. Probably not as long as you think. There's a difference between learning the fundamentals, technicals, and then actually learning how to manage your emotions and manage yourself whilst trading, right? You could learn like the fundamentals and the basics of trading in like a couple months, right? and then it's time in the hot seat, time with emotional investment into the game. That's what takes the most longest time. All right, look at this rejection. We're getting pushing back down over here, but the 30's leaving a big wick, I think. Yeah, the 30's leaving a big wick. Interesting stuff over here, you guys. What's your opinion on ICT and SMC strategy? Each to their own. I'll say that. Each to their own. I do feel sorry for those guys in the sense that, like, it almost seems a bit unnecessarily complicated. Like the games, sometimes it feels like the game's as complicated as you make it. But definitely each to their own. Amine, what up, what up, what up? Do you have a video of your strategy? On my YouTube page, there's like something I posted that we did in a live webinar, which was just go through the simulator, and it's just like trading in real time essentially. That's on my YouTube page, Daniel Holmes Trades. Talk some smack, make some money, exactly. Are you here in the New York session? No. You profitable with trading? How long does it take? Best greetings from Germany. What up, Germany? I would say profitable, but I'm still in the game. Like, I'm still trying to chip away and improve the skill set of withdrawing, you know what, from the market. I'm currently trading to, man, it's so hard because you can't speak about specific digits. I'm currently trading 2 Apex accounts, two of their higher accounts at the same time. So when I get funded with them, I can trade 3 of them all at once and then aim at doing like 0.2% per day on 3 different accounts at the same time. Would you have any advice on who or where look at what platforms to use when starting out? Well, it depends what you mean, because the platforms don't mean anything. This is called TradingView. You can watch the markets here on TradingView, if that's what you mean. Do you recommend any course to start with? Yep, over here, babypips.com. Look, there's a section here, Learn Forex. Most of you guys won't do this because you think you're asking me how do I make you know what as quick as humanly possible. This course is going to teach you what trading even is. It's free. And then from there, you can start looking at strategy and back testing and, you know, maybe a cheap funded account. I'm holding on to my funded one at the moment, Manos, because I want to get these other 2 passed so I can trade them all together with a trade copier. So is SMC better? There's no such thing as better. Technically, everything can work. It depends on yourself, I guess. Is there news? Let's have a look. Forex Factory. No news today. Well, no red folder today. What's tomorrow? Got some red folder core PPI tomorrow night. New York sesh. Thank you for the follows there on TikTok, you guys. Yippee! People are following me, mum. I'm doing it. Wow, market's looking really bloody. I actually like when the markets are like this because you kind of got them cornered, right? You're just waiting for it to make one error and then you capitalize on it. Do you have a Telegram channel? No, I don't have a Telegram. I don't have a Telegram, but I have a Discord in my bio there. Join the Discord, my friend. I'm really going to start brainstorming some ways to really improve the Discord and just try to provide as much value as well as possible. I've got to, yeah, I've been really thinking about some ways to crush in the Discord. What else you trade? Just gold. Just Goldilocks over here. Let's have a look at something. Okay. All right, gang, here we are, Monday. So this is the other thing as well. You got to be careful on a Monday. I think through my journaling, Mondays are typically the days where I have the most issues. I think that's for a lot of people. My broker is a prop firm. What strategy? Price action, breakouts, break-ins, break-arounds, just all the breaky things. All right, I've got 2 minutes here for this 30 minutes to close. If this 30-minute close is like it is, I could see the next one going like something like this and just pushing past without any hesitation. I couldn't take that though, unfortunately. That's Friday. Yeah, Fridays are tricky as well. Yep, Monday and Friday for sure. Oh, show. So patience is the name of the game, gang. We're clearly within this consolidation range. Clearly. Pretty interesting. This is a whole number up here. Right here is 2,700. Just above this level. You guys, I'm on YouTube as well. Daniel Holmes Trades. If you wanted to see the full screen on Yui Chewy. Wait till the breakout of this range. I think that'd be a smart thing to do. I can tell you guys aren't profitable. I can tell by your demeanor, peasants. Where can I try new trading videos? Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube. I don't have much, but I'm going to post. I've been working on a couple of longer format content. All right, so let's have a look at this. What are that? 30 close there. Create a bit of 30-minute support towards the bottom end here. I could see something like this happening now. Maybe we get a breakout. You know what I mean? Maybe. We'll see. I don't have much of a bias. I could also see it working its way up. See some of this, right? Yeah, I understand there's a big trend line, but I don't care about trend lines. Let's have a look at this trend line. Let's have a look. On the 1 hour, what does it look like on the 1 hour? No, I can't tell them that, Chappie, unfortunately. How does this work? Well, let me start from the beginning. No, I don't know. Google, jump on Google. It's such a broad question. Oh wow, someone said they cooked top-down analysis. Go check it out. That analysis being cooked, sizzled. I sizzled that analysis. A very wiki range that we're in, right? On the 4 hour. Wick City. So at this point, there's nothing we can really do except wait. This is the game of waiting. What up, GR? It's a game of waiting. Do anything else than wait, then you pay the price. The markets have a good way of striking you down, like naughty boy. You, and that's why people get whipped cat o' nine-tailed so much by the market that they're just like, fuck this, it's too much. I'm sick of getting whipped emotionally. But if you can just exercise patience and say, hey, these are my key areas that I'm interested in, until price gets there, then you know what I mean? Do you support any English? Oh, no, unfortunately. The only sports I really follow is UFC, boxing, and golf. What do you see gold doing if a stock market crashes? I don't even know. What is that? I don't know. It's like saying, what do you see gold doing if aliens land on Earth? No one knows. Thank you for the hearts there, Yusuf. Joseph or Yusuf? This website's called TradingView. Am in on... Okay, you're in a trade. Nice, nice. I think you already know where the market is going, but you're just waiting. Don, I love your confidence, but I have unfortunately to tell you that not only do I not know where the market's going, no one does. Yes, we can do things to stack the probabilities in our favor, but until then, oh wow, Joseph, Mosif. I know it's something special when it pops up on the chat. Amazing, thank you. Crazy. I'm with a TikTok company. They're going to be happy that people are giving me gifts because I recently linked with these TikTok people that, like, you know, they monitor your lives or some shit like that and help you if you have any issues. Vivo, what up? Keen Jabby. How long are you trading for? 2.5, coming up to 3 years. Which strategy you use? Just price action over here. Sandeep, thank you for the flower gifts there. Oh man, crazy world. Yep. No volume. No, we're just still in this consolidation range. Yusuf, you're sending gifts that I've never seen. I've never seen a donut or whatever that yellow thing is. Appreciate it, bro. Do you use Alpha Capital? No. Waiting for breakout, yes. Scalper Center Rose, thank you, brother. What do you mean you have no idea what this is? What is? Like, you cannot get any more dead center in the middle of this consolidation range, right? What do you do in this situation? You chill out and be patient, my dude. Nice, Dylan. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Wow. This major level here is going to be interesting, right? If we can get you guys, if we can get a fucking closure below this level, like, I think Bitcoin is going to melt. Looks like we're almost creating some sort of head and shoulders. What does it look like on the daily? Man, looks like Bitcoin wants to melt, like, based on technical analysis alone. I'm not up with Bitcoin on a fundamental level, but technically it looks, yeah. Oh shit, what? Wait, am I in a wonder? Dan, does Apex start at... No, they start at pretty low accounts. You can get small accounts. Sorry, I can't say anything honey related. I can't. Every my move is very wrong. Backtest, my dude. Backtest. I'd say get the MT5 simulated software and backtest the shit out of your shit. Bro believes in chart patterns. Dude, bro believes in chart patterns. What a loser. Sorry, TikTok kid. We should all listen to what you have to say. Because bro believes in chart patterns. Can you shout out my website, bro? It's in my bio and would mean the world. I don't know how to do that. That's the only issue there. I don't know how to like get out of my thing and go to your thing without closing stuff down. Sorry. Where's your take profit going to be? Well, I don't know because I haven't taken a thing yet. You trade support and resistance? Yeah, I guess you could say that. Like they're obviously my levels that I'm interested in, right? Because I know when price gets to those levels, it's going to have a reaction of some sort, and it's an area that's been respected. Type shit. For beginners, good books, demo versions of application and exercises. Any advice? Oh, I wouldn't read books for application and exercise. I'd be looking at videos and doing research online. I use Apex at the moment. On what time frame, John? I'm talking about like overall, like daily type shit, not scalp. So, because I know it's at that major level where it's potentially going to bounce off for sure. Yeah, I haven't even looked at it from a scalping perspective. Dilawa, brother, what up? Oh, Habib, thank you for the gifts there. Wow, my TikTok company are gonna love me. I'm getting all these gifts. They're like, look, see, aren't you glad you linked with me? Stacy, what up? What up? What tool or indicator do you use for speculation purposes for breakout? I use the power of my mind. I tap in, I go, Daniel, you've looked at a screen in the last 3 years for a total of 10,000 hours. If you can't figure this out, you're cooked. No, I use, you know, basically just by seeing things play out a lot of times and keeping it really simple, not overthinking it. So basically, if I see a candle break out above here like this, cool. I want to retest. If I get that and it flips, I'll take a buy there. That's pretty easy, right? How much easier can it get? Right? Or should I put every indicator on the freaking planet on it? Look at order block, SMC, fair value, total soup, camel toe strategies, and then try and figure out that way. Or can I just say, look, the price is moving up. I'm going to press buy. I think it's pretty fucking simple. What up, Abini? Oh, people are trying to join over here. Can't do that. Could be weird. That's the only issue there. I like how you're waiting for the market. It's giving me confidence to wait as well. Yeah, bro, that's all you need to do. Mark out your areas of interest and say, okay, I'm waiting for price to get to this particular point before I'm interested in participating, and then just chill out. Because if you don't, the market's going to Cato 9 tail you. Bang, bang. Tss, tss, ah, shit. And you go, oh man, another red day. Another red day. And if you really think about it, you go, well, why was it a red day? Well, I got impatient and I just, I wanted to jump in. Just a quick question before I go. Could you give me a tip for getting some more sales on my Shopify store? Bro, I'm sorry. I would love to give you tips. I guess have good products. I'm sure there's people in the chat that are more up to date with that. Camel toe. We need a hope indicator. I'm sure there's other cats in the chat here that yeah, you guys, there's a Discord in my bio as well. I'm really gonna be working on providing some more value in there as well. So if you're interested in joining the community over there in the Discord, there's a link in my bio. Wow, like 223 follows on this stream. Crazy stuff. Crazy. What's more important, timing or price? Timing or price? What's more important, timing or price? Sorry, man, I don't know what you mean. I'll come back later to see price heading to the gym. All right, brother. Thank you for the gifts as well. You're a G. Best time frame to use? I don't know. I stick to, my entries are typically on the 15 and the 30. I never go below the 15. Because I'm a trader that waits for, oh wow, someone's putting something on my head. Thank you there, Ab. I'm a trader that waits for price, like candles to close. I need candle closures before I get the confidence and confirmation that it's a good opportunity to enter into the market. If I'm waiting for candles to close and I'm getting a 5-minute or 1-minute candle closures, they're not a strong enough confirmation. So it doesn't give me enough confidence to go, okay, I got what I wanted, which is a candle closure. Let me enter. They're not a strong enough confirmation. Even the 15's not. I can only enter on the 15 when I have multiple things that are stacking in my favor, like higher time frame confluence type shit. Why is market dropping today? Gurindo, why is the market dropping today? It can only do two things. Go up or down. And I guess at the moment it's going down, but it's actually not going down right now. It's going sideways. One minute, 5 minutes isn't strong enough. Exactly. How can I learn your strategy? By rocking up to the stream every day and asking questions specifically related to what you'd like to learn. I'd love to help you. And joining the Discord, because I'm going to start doing more in the Discord about breaking down specifics of the strategy. Specifics. Don't go live, man. Evil eye is real. What the does that even mean, Callum? Don't go live, man. Evil eye is real. What does that mean, Callum? I realized you switched to the... No, I was looking at the wrong broker. I wasn't at Nawanda. Oh, fuck. Hang on. Yeah, sorry. Thank you for reminding me that. The level's there. The level's there. Thank you for reminding me that. Nizza, Callum true. How is it true? He's talking about an evil eye. With what does that mean? Oh, you're saying don't trade live because it's bad luck for people wishing bad upon you. I like where your head's at, but here's the thing to counter that. The markets don't give up. Fuck. The markets don't give a fuck. I could be here on my knees. Please God, please go up, please go up, please go up. The markets don't give a fuck. If anything, they pity, they laugh at your pity and hit your stop loss even quicker. So I could have 1,000 people in the chat going, lose this trade, lose it, and I would still potentially win. So I think that's all good there. Positive vibes, brother. Brother, I love that you say that always. Always. Whenever I'm on stream, one of the biggest things I tell myself after and I analyze and kind of think about my own life, I'm like, gotta make a conscious effort to be positive in life in general. Because don't you realize positivity is essentially, it's a decision, right? Because if you ever operate in a neutral state in life, you'll typically slowly get drawn towards negative, I would say. Because neutrality, there's no such thing as neutrality. You're either good or bad, yin or yang. Like you're either progressing or regressing. So you basically have to choose to progress and be positive. Otherwise you'll naturally regress. What's your WR using price action? I'm not sure specifically in terms of numbers. I'm doing a bit more, I'm going to do a bit more tracking data before I say that, but it's relatively good. It is relatively good. I'm not going to be like some weird gurus that you see when you scroll on like TikTok. There's like 90% win rate. And it's like, well, why are you here, bro? Like, why don't you just move to fucking Egypt and, you know what I mean? Like, you're all good. People can wish bad, but if the universe is with you, they keep the haters, bro. Yeah, exactly. I agree with that. Keep going. Yep. Good morning. What up, you and me? Even African magic can't work on the markets. Yeah, fucking... Even African magic. All right, let's have a look at the 1 hour. What's a 1 hour reckon over here? 1 hour close in 11 minutes. 30 minutes still open. A couple of rejections off this range. The 15 looks ugly. I'm going to jump back to the 30. Positive attracts positive. Exactly. Yep. Fucking oath. Toby, what up? What is Egypt? What's in Egypt? Pyramids, I guess. I joined your Discord server long ago. Can you please tell me where to find your trading strategy? Bro, I don't have like... If you stay in the Discord, I've made an effort, like I've been thinking about it, and I'm going to start pushing more specifics in regards to strategy. I don't have like, you can't join the Discord and there's just like, there's strategy laid out for everyone. It's just like, it's a community right now. And over time, I'll start dropping more things in there tailored to specifics in relation to the strategy. But it's only relatively new. So I've thought, you know what, first things first, let's actually start building a bit of a community here. Let's get cats together and then from there, grow from there. It's relatively new to me as well. All this shit's new to me, like in terms of community and other traders. I never spoke to a trader before I started streaming. It was just me in the charts, and I was like, you know what? Maybe I'll press record and just do it here. And then, oh, one person's watching. Oh, there's 2 people. Now there's like, on Friday, there was over 1,000. Are you looking for entry? I'm bloody oath, I'm looking for an entry. I might as well put cells below as well. I've been training binary options as of recent, but I need more skills. Any help I can get? Well, you got to identify what area you need the skill improvement on. There's multiple areas in relation to improving your trading. You can't just be like, I need to get better at trading, help. And it's like, okay, is your psychology bad? Is your entries bad? Are you confused with time frames? Do you know how to mark out your levels? Like which part? What's your strategy, bro? I need to study. I would say if you wanted to study somebody that trades similar to me, I would say start with someone like Roger Banks. Simple price action. Is it nighttime yet here? Because I want to open this thing. No, it's not yet. 5 minute? No, absolutely not. Can you tell us your setup entries? If I tell you it's going to cost you 47,000 cents. What do we got here? What's the 15 looking like? Yeah, nothing's happening just yet. Ooh, why the fuck does this look so different on this 4 hour? Fuck, I really like how this looks. Does this, hey you guys, important question. Does your chart look like this on the 4 hour? Does your chart look like this on the 4 hour, you guys? Yes, yes. Oh, fuck yeah. Bro, I'm interested in buys, man. Yes, everyone's saying yes. Okay. Because I look for shit like this on other time frames. Like anyone that knows like a Don Vu or some shit like that, like knows this is some sort of onion setup where you come up to an area. I know on the higher time frames we're being very bullish. We've pulled back on the 4 hour. Not only have we pulled back, we've got smaller bodies, rejected off an area. Not only pulled back, flipped green. Now we've retested that range and we're flipping back up. I'm going to do a bit of analysis here and potentially look at taking a buy in a second. But here's the issue. Here's the flipping issue. The 1 hour looks fucking gross for that idea. 30 minute looks pretty gross for that idea. And the 15 looks gross. All right. I'm bullish. I'm bullish now. Everyone says yes over here on YouTube as well. Okay. I'm bullish Fuck all this sell shit. I'm bullish. Yes, I'm bullish. Mom, I'm buying you a house. My mum's not really here. I don't know. I haven't seen my mum in years. I'm bullish. I'm bullish. So let's just be patient over here. Finally, yes, I'm also bullish. Okay. How does spread and liquidity affect your trading? I'm very new to trading. Spread and liquidity, well, I don't know about liquidity, but spread is, well, if you're a Forex trader, spread is like the buy and sell. The price difference between the Google it. Don't listen to me. But essentially, you're going to get about a 2.5, depending on a broker or prop firm. It can even be up to 3.5 pips spread. It's really annoying, to be honest. They want to say that after you said it, but won't listen to me when I said it. Because Dre, do you know why? Because I'm the GOAT. No, because no one listening. Anyone just do whatever they want to do. I'm just saying where my head's at. I'm not pushing my idea. I'm not saying, hey, you guys, this is what's happening. Buy. Maybe you're doing that. I would never do that. I'm saying this is where my head's at. I'm pretty bullish right now. If you guys like that idea, cool. Ooh, who goes to the gym? You guys, if you're a trader and you're not hitting the gym, bruh, what are you doing? You got to keep your body and mind sharp, man. Oh, shit. I hit the gym, bro. My man. My man. Those teeth. Yeah, they're fake over here. Is it nighttime yet? Fuck it. It's nearly nighttime. I'm opening this up. Oh shit, it's pretty bright still. Alright. I'll just leave it for a bit. It'll get dark. Damn, that looks fucking trash now. Go away, light. Who likes my lightsaber? Fuck, this is disaster. All right, let's have a look. Let's have a look. 3 a.m. 3 a.m. session every morning, running. Nice. We've got some gym cats over here. Join the gang. Keep that open, you reckon, Dilwar? Yeah, for sure. All right. The sun's nearly down, so it'll get real dark in a second, then this light will kick in. Fallon Jr. That's the name of the game, brother. Background looks good. Okay, dope. Nice view. Wait till the sun. When the sun goes down fully, it'll go down like in literally like 5-10 minutes. It looks bright now, but it's actually not. And then all the city lights turn on. In New York. Where do you get the lights from? Bro, like Kmart or some shit. So check this out, you guys. Like I said, the higher time frame, hella bullish. Tell me what I should study, bro. Well, it depends what level you're at. Tell me what level you're at. Have you just started? Greetings from Dubai. Ooh. Greetings from Australia. Not gonna lie. Yeah, I was about to say that, Forsaken. So, you know, it's Monday. We're still in this range, higher time frame, bullish bias. But for now, we're in Chop City, and let's just be patient over here. Question, why didn't you buy the first dip below? Which one? Question, why didn't you buy the first dip below? Which dip? Like here, you mean? That was in Asia session, I think. I don't trade Asia. And how would you have caught that? It looks like it just was choppy and then all of a sudden just dropped. Yeah, I like Asia Sesh as well. But I don't know about you guys, like a lot of people hate sideways action like this. I actually like it because we've essentially got the market cornered and we just wait for it to make a mistake, which is to break out of the range, and then we capitalize on that, right? But people hate it because they have to be patient. Like, I'll be patient till my willy falls off. It's all good. Like, just wait. We've got 1 minute here before this 1 hour candle closes. Very interesting. This 1 hour closes in a minute over here, quite literally. The 15 and the 30 look gross in terms of like telling us what it potentially wants to do. So we're just going to hang out for a second over here. Is trading a... Someone said, is trading Mamboline? No, it's not. But you can treat it like that. You can definitely treat it like that. And I'll tell you right now, when you do treat it like that, you're better off going to the CAS. The CAS. Trust me. Trading has a good way of freaking stomping you in the schlong if you try to treat it like, if you don't take it serious. How long do you do this for each day? 2 hours, 2.5 tops. I'll jump on stream for an hour and a half, 2 hours. If a setup doesn't arise, I'll hang off stream for a little bit. And if it still doesn't arise, then I'll call it a day. I don't like to trade pre-London, pre-New York. We wait for a textbook setup, exactly. Dillawar's been in the disc. Dillawar knows this shit. Me and Dillawar trade pretty similar. Like, it's the name of the game. Just wait for that textbook setup. Anything other than that, you'll get burnt. Bernadette. I don't want to be burnt up here. Can you check gold 5 minute? No, I don't even participate in the 5 minute at all. I don't even like to look at the 5 minute. Like, I really don't, because I don't want it to put anything in my head. The hour goes below the previous one you're selling. Oh, okay. Yeah, I could see that potentially happening. Something I wouldn't mind happening, like if this 30 minute closed like this, let's say this 30 minute close like this, the next one wicked up and started to push down, I would take a sell before it hits that support level. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Damn, 450 people here. Who would have thought on a freaking chilled Monday? Crazy gang. You guys, I'm on YouTube as well, as full screen on YouTube. Full screen type beat. I lost a lot of, you know what, last year. I hope I can recover it this year. With that mindset, you probably won't. And I'll tell you why, Poolin. Is because that added pressure now is like, you're not only trading just because you want to trade and get better at the skill, you're trading because in your head, I need to recover what I lost. That's a dangerous combo, I think. I think if you just come into the market saying, hey, you know what, I made these mistakes, I journaled it, and I hope to get better this year, and I think if I get better, the profit will be a byproduct. Yeah, I'm doing Apex, Shark. Love the way you trade. Simple price action, Roger Banks. Yep, very similar, for sure. Keep it similar over here. Keep it simple over here. No, I don't watch a full print chart, anything like that. Can you tell me how to find two closure lines? It's actually relatively, it's easy to describe, but it seems hard to get the point across. Like, because you got to ask yourself, okay, if I'm trying to find support and resistance levels, I can easily do that by going, look, there's a big level here and there's a big level up here, right? If I zoom out for TikTok, right? You can say, oh, look, there's a level there up here. And you go, there's a level down there. But then you go, well, that's not going to get there for a couple of hours, right? So I need to find the closest ones during this session. So then I go, okay, what's the closest major one during the session? Well, you could say, well, maybe there's a support, the closest resistance is right there. But I can't do that because I know the next closest is there. And if I were to take a trade in this little gap here, it's too short, it's too small. But I know if I take a buy above here, I've got 40 pips to play with, right? So there's my level there. What about support? Well, I can't put it down there. It'll take too long. What about there? That's the next closest one. What's the range? Cool. Probably like 45 pips. Yep, 45 pips. Type beat. What should I study if I want to start? I would say go to babypips.com, do their Baby Pips free course over here. It'll teach you about the back end of trading. It won't teach you about strategy. It'll teach you about candlesticks, foreign exchange, blah blah blah, and then go from there. But you probably won't, because it's not going to be entertaining. It's not. It's. If you're going to be a surgeon, if you wanted to be a surgeon, would you go into a surgery room and just say, "Where's the scalpel? Let me get at it," or would you say, "Well, I better study this and figure out what the hell I'm even doing"? Shouldn't your sell below point be 5 pips or so higher? Are you talking to me, John? What do you mean? Shouldn't your sell below point be 5 pips or higher? What do you mean, John? I actually want to know what you mean. For sure, Santi, for sure. Dan, a quick analysis on GJ. All right, let's have a little quick look at GJ. GBP. JPY. Let's have a look at the daily. Let's move this level here. Okay, daily. Wow, very interesting price action over here. Very bearish on the daily. 4 hour, same thing. Super bearish. There's a pretty somewhat of a key 4 hour level here that it's about to tap into. 1 hour. Created a bit of 1 hour support. Breaking that support now. 15. Yeah, it's a tricky one. I'd personally like to see a bit of green be formed here, and maybe a break below that now. Right, a break below after. Wait for that wick up and then a continuation down potentially. ICT SMC Spider-Man Trader, I'm watching. Graffiti, what up, my G? Haven't seen you in a while. What do you think about scalping? I think it's cool. I do it. How was December? Not too bad, considering it was definitely a bit tricky at times. No, I still are. Okay, sick. Dre, what are you on about, bro? What mistakes did you make last year and learn from them this year? Nothing that stood out. Like, just all the typical stuff. For me, revenge trading. Like, it's also everyone's personal, right? If you're asking me personally, mine was revenge trading, and I had to build parameters and guide rails beside me to prevent myself getting into a state of revenge trade mindset, right? The world is yours. Wow, definitely something wrong with me. Hey man, do you look at volume profile at all? No. Nah. I don't, bro. The sun's going down. So, we're really stuck in the middle of this range, aren't we? Do you journal your trades? Yeah, I use Notion. I use Notion to journal trades. Sick view, thanks, brother. The camera's kind of pointed in a weird angle, but it's alright. Yeah, I live in Australia. I live in Brisbane, Australia. Wow, nearly 400 follows here from this live on TikTok. Crazy. Where did you learn to trade? Start Googling, brother. I started from the ground up. Before I even thought about strategy or demo trading, I started with babypips.com and started to learn about the markets. Then I started to look into what are candlesticks. Then from there, what does a strategy mean? Do I need indicators? Fucking just go from the ground up. I have a Discord in my bio. I'm gonna start pushing more like content into the Discord to isolate specific parts about strategy. Because at the moment the Discord's more like about building community, just getting people in there. Let's get some traders together. And then now I'm starting to get to a point where I'm like, well, now I should start maybe, trying to work on some strategy stuff, drop some strategy content. Fully deserved, Dan. Thank you, bro. Thank you. I appreciate that. Wait, I understood what you said mean then. New TikTok performing better than last one. Yeah, legit, John. John, what did you mean before? I was freaking curious what you meant about the 5 pips before the support. Opinions on taking shorts at 2689. 2689. Well, you got to ask yourself, why would you be taking shorts at a level? I guess you're anticipating it to bounce off there. If you got the confirmation that suited your strategy, then yeah, I personally don't know why, but if it matches your strategy, why not? We pay for the Discord? Absolutely not. No, Discord's free. You got to realize I'm just the same as you guys. I started Discord, be like, man, it'd be awesome and actually start speaking to traders. I never spoke to traders before I started streaming. And then a lot of people say things like, hey man, how's your strategy work? What do you do? This and that. All right, we'll start sharing some strategy stuff and just go from there. Oh, that's the thing, guys. In the Discord, if anyone has any analysis, drop it in the Discord now. If you're looking at something, you're completely wrong. It's bullish. So like Paul has dropped some analysis in here, I think, right now. Oh, looking at some sort of wedge. Okay, I didn't even pay attention to that. Let's have a look. The only thing with this being some sort of pennant wedge, for me to take them serious, it has to be really clean. The 1 hour doesn't look too bad for it. The 1 hour doesn't look too bad. It's like some sort of potential flat bottom. You're right. We might get some sort of burst out of that. Whenever you get these, you'll get that aggressive burst, especially if there hasn't been much volume. But yeah, we'll see. Hey man, I got a question. Do you base your analysis on the lower time frames only? No, I build a bias on the top, on the higher. I understand that we're very bullish on the higher. You know, if the 4 hour flips, and I work my way down, and then I look at the 15 or the 30 to kind of take an entry based on all this kind of stuff. With that being said, I'm only a scalper, right? So I'm not trying to get some massive move, like a daily move. I'm trying to get a piece of the pie along the way. I'm only a scalper. Gold is chilling. Yeah, gold is chilling right now. What up, Low Nut? Adrian Tudor. Please follow M. Oh, I would follow you, but you said you spelled M wrong. And that is a forsaken rule in this world. Oh! Please check out Silver. All right, I'll check out Silver. What's a daily look like? Ooh. Wick Central Station. 4 hour Wick Central. Yuck, bro. Silver looks... Stay away from silver, bro. Honestly. Let's have a look at copper. Copper gets volume. Yeah, like look at the big push up on copper. Anyway. Please analyze Bitcoin. Post a Discord link so you can show up. All right, let's have a look. So you drop some analysis here in the chat. Oh, okay, this is what I'm currently looking at. Let's have a look. Supply zone up here. Bro, I don't know what any of this shit. I don't know what PWL means. I don't know what an IMB means. I don't know what a PWC means. Fuck me. I don't know any of this shit. I kind of just, like if, okay. Okay, well that didn't work out too well. Oh wait, that's an old one. All right. Maybe an analysis over here. Okay, so we're looking at this trend line. Yep, you got trend, and this is, who put this in? Suman. Yeah, so it's clear we've got a very strong trend line, and now we're stuck in a consolidation within that trend line range. Like we're at that point now. I personally not taking the trend line too much into consideration or at all. But yeah, like there's not really much more analysis you can do than this, I feel like. So we'll see. Well, looks like people are in the chat here are mentioning what some of this shit means. I swear I just seen someone say that. Oh yeah, POC, point of control. What the fuck is point of control? We have no control. I'm only joking. I'm only joking. Oh, PWH, price week high. Wow. Price week low. Interesting. Wow, we've got all this. Are you just chilling and analyzing gold without having an open position? Well, what's the alternative to that? Chilling and just opening a position because you're chilling? Yeah, I'm just chilling. I'm waiting for an opportunity to enter a position. And until that, I just have to be patient. You know what I mean? All right, Bitcoin, you keep saying it. What is it? BTC. Ooh. I don't know why I've got this here. I definitely didn't take that. I didn't take a Bitcoin scalp. Let's have a look. Bro, we're fucking edging Bitcoin bottoms, man. I'm telling you guys, if we get a strong daily or, I don't know, man, we're just edging this major level here. And I will not be surprised if Bitcoin melts. And do I think it's forever? No, but could it melt? Like, could we just fill some of this range? You know what I mean? And then work our way back up after that. I can see it happening, man. I said it a couple of weeks ago. I can see it happening. But anyway, let's stick to where we're at. Oh, nearly 500 follows here on the stream from Tiki. Thank you guys. Ooh. Look at the background now as it starts to get a bit darker. We are him. Oh, fuck. All right, gang. Is gold just going to edge us? Is that what this is? Edge? See how long price can edge you challenge. Because I can play this game. I can play this edging game all day. I've been preparing for these edging competitions my whole life, so... Okay, look over here. So John's posted some analysis over here in the Discord. Can I fucking zoom into this at all? So John in the chat, he's obviously looking at the same analysis as I am. Is like, you got these key levels here that you're basically waiting for a breakout above or below, right? There's what else are you going to do? You can't really participate within the consolidation range. And then there's a key rejection level down here. So maybe if we get a breakout below this level down to that rejection point, that's what I'll be looking at. So that's good. I'm looking at the same thing. Forsaken's got some analysis over here. Is this gold? Oh, this is, yeah. Stick to gold for now. I'll look at that one after. How to join your Discord group. If you can't join it by clicking the link, you have to copy that link and paste it in your browser. Because it means you don't have the app or something like that. Bro, if I get 12 more follows, that means I got 500 follows from this stream. I will be able to retire my family. Unless you guys don't want me to retire my family, that's all good. Yeah, Mum, sorry. They said you're staying in the streets. Yeah, all good. All right, see ya. I have trust issues with gold. Do I better with NASDAQ? No, because then you'd build trust issues with NASDAQ. The trust issues aren't the markets. Get this, bro. The markets just do whatever they do. They move up and down, sideways, price goes up, price goes down. They do nothing to you. You do you to you. You do. Okay? So if we know that, then you've got to figure out what's the issue with you. Like what is your strategy that's tripping you out? Like what is it within your strategy? What part of the market moving is tripping, like that's getting to you? Is it, oh, I enter here. Oh, I just got 500. Mum, we got there. We got there, Mum. Thank you guys. Appreciate you a ton. Crazy shit. Crazy. What are the price levels on your chart? These are key areas of support and resistance that I'm waiting for price to break through, and then I can participate in an entry alongside. Can my grandma join the Discord? The Discord is actually specifically made for your grandma. It's just all these traders started to join, and I was like, oh, okay, I guess that's what we're doing. Bye. I'm done losing brain cells with all these unprofitable traders in the chat. What? That's crazy thing. That's the wildest thing to say humanly possible. Oh, fuck me. Thank you, Forsaken. Bro knows all of your profitability levels. All right, so here's another thing that we're facing is the 4-hour closes in half an hour. Isn't this interesting? So this has been the fucking London session right here. Just sideways action over here. Thrilling stuff. What's the best time frame to trade? Whatever time frame you decide fits your trading strategy the best. You guys on TikTok, if you're not, are you guys on Instagram? I mean, YouTube. You guys on TikTok. I'm currently on YouTube right now. It's full screen, way better. If you're not on there, you literally, like, bruh. But you guys on YouTube, if you could drop a subscribe, that'd mean the world to me. Because I don't know why, I guess. I guess it would just be cool to know that more people are following than by law, but by byproduct of that is more people would watch the stream, and then it's cool. I get to hang out with more people, blah, blah, blah. Tell your strategy. I'll tell you if you give me lots and lots of lollies. What happened on the last day of NFP news? Well, if you're on stream, you would have seen. It was pretty wild. Lovely background. Where you at? Ah, yes, I appreciate that. So I pulled my thing up so I can show it. I live in Brisbane, Australia. I live in Brisbane, Australia. So this is Brisbane City. Brizzy. I follow Bitcoin Trader TV. Have you heard of him? No, I've never heard of anything like that. I don't follow crypto, to be honest. I'll jump to the YouTube site. Yeah, jump to the YouTube. Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube. Full horizontal screen. And you can see like P&L type shit as well, but you can't see that on TikTok. Aussie. You guys, this is unbelievable, the lack of volume here, right? It's almost, and I dare say the word, it's almost unheard of. I'm following a signal group on TikTok and now I'm home. Fuck. Oh my God. How can I find you on YouTube? Right, Daniel Holmes Trades into YouTube. Daniel Holmes Trades. All right, 5 minutes over here. I'm going to hang out for a little bit longer, and if we don't get any action soon, I'm going to, you know, might just call it a day. It's fine. There's fuck all volume. Especially if this 4-hour close is how it's looking now. Like, I was expecting it to kind of start working its way back up. Like, I'm not mad at how it's looking on the 30, to be honest. Is this a signal or what? Terrible attitude there, young man. This is not a signal. This is a person chilling and noticing that music isn't on in the background on TikTok. That's what this is. So this person is going to change all that right now. Damn, this person can't change that. Can you guys on TikTok hear music at all? Oh, you can. Oh, dope. All right. There you go. TikTok's glitching out. Sweet. Gang. Gang. Yes, yes, yes. All right, guys. Here we are. We're getting a bit of volume. We've got 3 minutes before this 30-minute closes. I like how this looks for a potential sell. Maybe. Let's see what happens over here. What time is right now? I already subscribed to your channel and I tried to watch this live, but right now it is 5:20 a.m. where I live. Fuck. It's 7:30 p.m. where I live. Brother. Subscribe from Africa. Amazing. Thank you there, Craig. Appreciate you, bros. So got 3 minutes here for this candle closure. It's a 15 and 30 closure. Lack of volume. Yeah, it's been pretty crazy. But I'm relatively optimistic. Like, I'd like this to retrace a little bit. If the next one can wick up and push down, I might be interested in a little sell. We'll see. We shall see. What up, Dot from Indonesia? Bro, I just closed my short position. Yeah, fair enough. Fair enough. if it didn't suit your plan. Today's price action be chop rice. Chop. It's legit, bro. Chop suey over here, man. Okay, look at this. We've finally got some sort of volume pushing down over here. Let's not get our knickers in a twist, though, and just see how it wants to play out for a little bit. But breaking resistance, as you can see here, you guys, it says closure. Just because the price pushes past doesn't mean I'm in. You have to wait for a closure. But like I said, like I'm not mad at the idea of a little sell. What's a 4-hour look like? Interesting. 30. A lot of people had stop losses there that were buying earlier. Ouch. Yep, look at John in the TikTok chat there, you guys. Amazing, Wesley. Dope. Oh, dope, Craig. Okay. It's different. It's too different. It's London open time. If you go on babypips.com and go to their tools and then go to Forex market hours, you can see for me, London open is 6 p.m. and then it will automatically adjust to what time it is for you. I'm looking for a closure on the 15 or 30 minute. I've got to say, man, I do like what I'm seeing here. Like if this next candle can wick up. Why is this glitching like this? If this next candle can wick up like that and wow, it's fully glitching and start to push down, I could look at taking a sell before it hits to this resistance. Potentially. Bro, if this is the way to trade, then I think I'm good. Yeah, bro, stick to how you trade. It's going to be way better. So much better, dude. Can you start day trading with 500 doll hairs? Invalid Discord invite in your profile. Why are you saying it's invalid? Does it actually say invalid or does it just not open up when you click it? Because if it doesn't open up when you click it, you have to paste it into your browser. Let's have a look. Is Bitcoin really melted? Is it melted past that key level? No, there's still a lot of shit to get past, but yeah, it is melting for sure. No, I pasted it and it said invalid in your... Interesting. I wonder if I can send it to you right now through the chat. Generate link, copy. Oh look, I just posted it in the chat there on YouTube. You guys on YouTube, if you're not subscribed, drop a subscribe, please. Please. Alright, so big rejection over here. Bro, price is just stuck. Pleasure, bro. Pleasure, you guys. No, I don't look at the 5 minute. I don't even like to open the 5 minute. It kind of stuffs in my head a little bit. Because if I look at the 5 minute, let's go to the 5 minute and just be like, okay, what is it? Look at this on the 5 minute. If we thought the 15 and was messy, look at the 5 minute. That's the London session right there. That is zero information. There is zero information right here. Literally. So So there's no point right now, or ever for me personally. If there's ever been a case for waiting for candles to break out of a couple of key areas, it's today. If there has ever been a case for being patient and waiting for a breakout, it is literally today. Type beat. Yeah, that is true there, Harry and Drew, when it comes to speaking about that stuff. But in the Discord, we can talk whatever. Do you follow Roger Banks? I do follow Roger Banks. Roger. I love Roger Banks. Roger Banks was one of the first like gurus that I kind of came across when I came into trading. Hi bro, what session do you like to trade? I'll tell you what session, not only do I like to trade, but the only session I do trade is London Open. Stick to one session, one pair, one strategy, one life. One time for my LA sisters. Oh Lord, what did I just say? So yeah, keep it simple over here. What are your thoughts on XRP? I don't know. I don't have any on XRP. I'll just stick to XR Gold. What up, Karingama? Good to have you here. 500 people on TikTok. I know, wild. 100 on YouTube. We are taking over the game. One pip at a time. Right? I think we can all agree with that. One singular pip. Stick to one strategy, master it, then move on. Yep. Master it. 1 to 2. My whole thing is 1 to 2 trades a day, one strategy, one session time, one whatever, right? Keep it simple. I used to be on 1,000 different trading pairs. I'll go from here, and then if I didn't see a setup here, I'd go to GBP, JBY, then I'd go from there to freaking gold. Like, you know what I mean? I'd jump all around. I'm like, oh, it kind of looks like a decent setup for like a long swing position. Maybe I'll go long on this one for a swing. Then I'll jump back to a scalp, and bro, just wasn't it, right? So I figured I started to journal all this shit and realized I had the most success when I stuck to one pair, one session, one dick, whatever. So that's what I did. Bro, nearly 600 follows here on this one stream. I just need 5 more follows. Come on. 5 more follows. Mom, I'm nearly going to get you out of the favelas. Come on. Bro's going to keep dropping here. Yes! 600! Nice. All right. Nah, let's get real. Let's get crazy real. 9 minutes over here. Is this a 4-hour closure as well? No, 4-hour closures in 24 minutes. 15 closure in whatever. Volume has tested those with lack of patience today. How many people do you guys think got chopped up today? So my thesis before was somewhat of an interest to take a sell would be very similar to right now. But we're very close to that major support level. It could be an idea, but I think it'd be a bit, you know, I'm taking the piss a little bit if I were to take it. Your growth on TikTok is insane, bro. Crazy, right? Crazy. I'll tell you what it is, but it is somewhat, I'm not trying to suck myself off, but it is somewhat planned. Because what I did was I started to look at all these other TikTok and people in the trading industry and like look at what people were doing wrong, or what people were doing things that no one really gave a shit about, and what kind of things people cared about and wanted to comment on and be a part of in terms of topics and just visuals, whatever. And I had a couple of pretty viral pieces of content that really helped. Get ready for a breaks and V-Plux, maybe. Trading high then. And then we're moving back up into this chop range. You guys dropping some analysis over here. So there's my Discord and my bio there as well, you guys, if you're interested. Build a bit of a community over there. Oh, this is a trade that was earlier, I guess. Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah, this looks like old stuff. Dre, you're back. Everyone full port. You just said that we're all you just said everyone in the chat's freaking unprofitable trades. Now you're telling them I'm full port? You cheeky little devil. Well, Brisbane or Sydney, which would you recommend? Sydney's very expensive, so you've got to have a decent income. They're both good. I enjoyed Sydney, I will say. I lived in Sydney for a couple of years with a girlfriend at the time. What's the time? No, I'm trying to learn discipline. Today's a perfect day to... Today's a perfect day. Man, if you got decent income, no girlfriend, whatever, it depends on your lifestyle. They're both good. They're both got their pros and cons. Sydney is pretty good, but I personally love Brisbane. You guys, I'm gonna hang out for a little bit longer, but I'll call it a day shortly. It looks like we're just kind of stuck in this range, right? It's been a great day to exercise discipline, right? Mark out the areas and just wait for price to get there. If price doesn't get there and do what you want it to do, then it's a great day to exercise your discipline. Have you ever been into a Raj? Yeah, absolutely. Of course I've been to a Raj live stream. I used to watch Raj's streams when I first learned trading. What time do you come live? London Open every day. Nice. Doesn't mean a trade needs to be taken every day. Exactly, bro. Like, this type of shit happens all the time, where it's just like... Exactly that. Like, what are you going to do? Are you going to try to trade this? Like, there's nothing you can do. And then this is a good way to test your discipline. Can you be here and chill and wait for your setup? And if you don't, then fucking whatevs. Congrats, bro. 500 plus followers from the live. Bro, 653 followers from this live alone. Insane. You guys, I recently linked with this TikTok live stream agency. They're going to freaking love me. I'm getting gifts. I'm getting follows. They're going to be like, yeah, hell yeah, we signed the right dude. No, but love you guys. Appreciate it a lot. What platform do you use? This is called TradingView. Yeah, fucking crazy dealer. Can you check the 3-minute? There was a buy set up. That's the most random sentence I've ever heard. Like, all love, but to be like, can you check the 3-minute candle is wild. All right, you know what? Let's check the 3-minute. Let's check the specific 3-minute candle. And what does it look like? Dog's dicks. Like, honestly. With all due respect. With all due respect, if someone was like, hey, what does a 3-minute candle currently look like? My answer would be dog's dicks. Right? And I think that would be an accurate thing to say right now, based on what I just seen. So. Fuck me. It's actually good for scalping? Yeah, I'm sure it is. I'm only being a dickhead. I'm only being a goosey. Oh shit, yeah, you might be right there, John. Damn it. Alright, what do we got here? Is the market pushing down to some regard? Looks like it. Not really. I'm going to wait 2 minutes. Let's see how this candle closes. Let's see how this candle closes. Dude, one day I'm going to get 1,000 follows from one stream. Because I'm at nearly 700. One day we're going to get there. And on that one day, I'm literally going to do something to celebrate. I'm going to do something crazy to celebrate. Like take a shot of water or something. I saw a setup in the 50s. You guys on YouTube, if you're not following me, if I look at my analytics and I find your name and you're not subscribed to me, I'm gonna find you. I'm gonna give you the biggest spanking. You guys, we've got a minute and a half here. You could look at this and say, well, we're moving down, maybe creating a bit of support, and then the next one after that, kind of could move down and break below. Right, we create a bit of support here now, and then we move down below after that. But then after that, that's the 4-hour closure. And one of my rules state that I can't really take a trade on the first 15 of the opening of the new 4-hour candle. Based on my experience, it's a bit unpredictable. You better, Harry. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Appreciate ya. You guys are going wild in the Discord. Ah, okay. But you guys on TikTok, I'm on YouTube as well right now. Full screen type shit, not little screen where you can only see a couple candles. Full screen, you can see the whole thing. And I'm going to be posting longer format content. I'm working on a couple videos right now. Value. Value. I promise you will get value. 15 seconds over here for this closure. This is just 15. Okay. What up, Craigs? That's some nice music you got. I appreciate that. I hence subscribed on YouTube. Thank you, Wesley. Appreciate it. Dope, dope. Do you sell bot, brother? What's bot? All right, so we close here. Could be looked at as a little bit of support being created for price to push down past after. I'm going to wait for this last candle to close, and I want to see if we can get a breakout. If we don't get a breakout in this next 15-minute candle, I'm just going to call it a day, you guys. I think that's going to be the smartest thing. Is your YouTube channel the same name? Yeah, Daniel Holmes Trades. Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube. That's the real shit over there. You can see like P&L. There's a lot of stuff I can't actually show on TikTok. Oh, bot trading. No, that sounds super scammy if you ask me. Snip from live where you marked out levels might be nice content as well. Do you mean just like content in terms of like showing where you mark out support and resistance, John? Now, don't you think bots and all that kind of shit seems super scammy? You know what? I'm going to go as far as saying they don't seem super scammy. They are. There, I said it. I said it. This is not bro, thank you for reminding me. This is not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only and entertainment purposes. $30-minute time frame. There's not much to show on that. Yeah, it's all looking like trust me, I'm switching through time frames trying to make sense if there's any sense to be made from what we're looking at. There's nothing right now. It's just chop suey. I can tell you one setup that's been set up right now, which is something that I wouldn't participate in, but on this, if you can see this, let's find it. What do they call it here? Oh, here we go. An inverted hammer. Wait, is it? I guess they just call it an inverted hammer setup. Let's see if you can see it. That's pretty similar to what the market's done right here. Where right here you've got it come down, created some support, and then had this inverted hammer. I guess the idea in accordance to this fucking Temu thing states that it goes up now. So let's see if Temu can trade better than us. How about that? Temu special. But we're doing the thing. We're doing it, you guys. And if you're not in the Discord, there's a link in my bio. Changing the game one pip at a time over there. Building a community. Do you do the same lot size every trade there? No, I actually don't. If I'm more confident in a trade, like if it's more textbook, I'll definitely up it a little bit. And then alternatively, if it's like, it's good enough, I'll lower it a little bit. Because, you know, like, but with that being said, I want to kind of stay away from good enough trades and stick to just A+. SMC strategy a scam or no? I don't know. Like, probably not. Like, most strategies will kind of work if you work at it long enough and chip it away. But I think it's like, it might be a bit unnecessarily technical. If you're like me and you really just like, I don't know. I don't think trading is technical, but in the same way, it doesn't need to be hyper technical. I don't know. It's hard to explain. So let's see if this support has given it enough strength to kind of push past and break past. There, is that better, TikTok, with it's been a bit smaller? Now it's too fucking low. It's still sideways, bro. Yeah, it's yeah. Today is the day that you would say, man, you walk away from the chart and just say, hey, look, man, I got to exercise one of the most important parts of this whole game, which is discipline, patience. Right? What is the best strategy? The best strategy is you sticking to one of them, and then, because every strategy works to a degree, but then it's how do you manage yourself mentally and emotionally throughout the journey of winning and losing. Yep, that's right. Cody Peterson clips. Waiting for a breakout. Although it's sideways, I don't mind sideways action because essentially we're just waiting for it to break out. That's all. That's it's quite easy when you frame it like that, right? Like, we've got the market cornered here. Yes, it's sideways, but we're just waiting for it to break out now. That's pretty easy. Cool. Let's just wait for that. Yes, it's going to edge you a lot. It's going to chill there and edge the shit out of you, but you guys, Daniel Holmes trades in YouTube. Daniel Holmes trades on YouTube. That's where I'm live right now. Way better screen. Way better screen. If you go to YouTube and say, nah, TikTok screen's way better, I'll give you 50 cents. It's going down, dude. Got to mute Discord, but I don't know how to. I might have to close it. Which package do you subscribe to on TradingView? Will matter. I just use the free version. I just use the free version. Because I backtest, I'm going to close Discord. But you guys, there's a Discord link in my bio, but I'm going to have to close it because it keeps making noises. I think you guys can hear it. I backtest on a software called MT5 Simulator. You can simulate real market conditions in real time. It's excellent for just testing things out with your strategy and stuff like that. I love your calm nature trading here. Oh, appreciate that. Yeah, but that's all. Just chill out. We can just just put it on do not disturb on the PC. Fuck, I don't even know how to do that, John. I could figure it out, but I won't right now. All right, 7 minutes here. We're going to push below and break below. So here's the interesting thing. Let's say this breaks below. I'm going to ask you guys' opinion. We know that we're waiting for a breakout here. Let's say this candle does that right here. And we finally go, okay, sick. We got a break below. You go, okay, awesome. That's what we've been waiting for, right? But then you've got to take a very important thing into consideration, which is this is a 4-hour closing candle. The next 15 is a 4-hour opening candle. I know through personal experience, when the new 4-hour candle opens up, it typically will wick one way or another, or there'll be like this indecisive nature within the opening of the new candle. And that's an interesting position to be in, because then you got to go, well, do I have enough faith that this is going to continue with what I thought it was, even though it's a new 4-hour candle? So it's going to be a tricky decision to make. And this is the thing, the market very rarely presents you a clean opportunity and says, here you go, young man. It's always like, it'll give you nuances where you have to make calculated decisions. So I don't know, we'll see. We'll see if it breaks through, and if it does, we'll figure it out. Why are all you guys saying buy just because it's at a support level? I need more confidence than just, okay, we're at a level that it's been bouncing off, right? I would wait for the next candle to wick up and break. Coyote, that's exactly what I would wait for as well. But still, with that being said, with the new 4-hour, it can be tricky, because I would need that as well. And I like that you said that, because it's exactly what, what I'm looking for. Bro, this has been weird. I'm waiting for that breakout, then the next one to wick up, flip red again. But I know through experience that when this is the new 4-hour, it typically, like, it's just a bit different. There's a bit more indecision in the feel of the candle. I don't know. So we'll see. We'll see how we feel. But we've got 5 minutes here and see if we can get a breakout here. It's a 4-hour closure. It's a big kind of, it's a relatively important part. What's the drawing line thing you use? I use, it's just I don't think I have that, John. It's just Zoom. It's just Zoom. That's all right. I'll figure it out for the next one. It's just Zoom. Zoom has a drawing tool. Pips, I typically will aim for around 20 pips. 15. Yeah, I'm on Windows. But I have heaps of software running in the background. I'm just afraid that I might fuck something up. That's all. Check the 4-hour. I already know what the 4-hour looks like. The 4-hour looks as annoying as the other candles do in terms of just stuck in this range. Type beat. All right, you guys. Love yous to bits. I'm going to. I think I'm going to call it there. We've been waiting patiently. I might wait a little bit more, maybe like 45 minutes off stream. But this has been the London sesh. Bit of zigzag through this fucking consolidation range. You know what I mean? You're calling it as well, John? Yeah. I think the smart thing, you guys, is go, hey, we tried, we waited. We know this is a high volume time, but volume didn't kick in. Maybe maybe save it for the New York guys. Hey, guess what? The chart's going to be here tomorrow. There's a 100% chance that we come to the charts and it does not look like this. We're just like, where the fuck are the candles gone? Nah, they're going to be here. So, I think that's going to be a smart. I think that's going to be a smart thing. What do you guys reckon? What do you guys reckon about that idea of saying we waited at a high volume time and price just consolidated? Chris, yeah. For sure, Dan. You'll see you tomorrow, London session. Absolutely. Do you do lives every day? Yeah, every day during the London session, I'll do lives. Yep. Lives with the intent to participate in the market, but you have days like this where there's nothing happens. That's fine. I could imagine it breaks out pretty strong during the New York session, but I don't trade New York. Believe it or not, sitting in front of the charts, waiting for an opportunity to enter, it's somewhat mentally taxing. And like, I can't move into the New York sesh with the same sharpness, right? You guys, if you're not subscribed, please drop a subscribe. I'm live every day. If you're not following, you won't be able to see the live. And I appreciate you guys a ton. I fucking love you guys. I nearly got 800 follows just from the stream alone. Bro, okay? So you guys are amazing. This is the best part of my day. I love being around traders, and there's a Discord link in my bio. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.